Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Trick Tutorial. In today's video, I will show you how to use Shopify for clothing brand. So as you can see right now, we're currently in Shopify and I'm going to be teaching you guys how to use Shopify and to set it up so that you could use it to sell your different clothing and your own clothing brand. So over here right now, we're currently in Shopify. There are multiple things that you need to set up if your account is brand new or if your store is brand new. Now, if you're creating your clothing brand or your store for your clothing brand, I would assume, of course, that your store would be new. And so the first things that you need to do are the following, as you can see here in the setup guide. The setup guide will allow you to easily navigate and understand what you need to do. Now, of course, you need to select your products or create your products. Adding different products, like your clothes, can be accessed through the product section over here on the left side. There are things such as collections, inventory, purchase orders, transfers, and gift cards that would help you manage your different products. Other collections, these might be very useful for your different clothes because in the creation, you will be able to, of course, have a group of different products, as you can see here. And you could put your different types of collections, such as summer collection, winter collection, or whatever type of collection that you have for your different clothes. Maybe you have a specific theme for specific clothes. So you could manage and create collections under here. As you can see, you could enter a title, let's say summer collection. And then you could create your description describing what this collection is about. So let's say this collection is filled with perfect summer clothes. So you could have this as an example of what you could use this collection for. And then you could see the collection type where you will be able to, of course, add the different products into the specific collection. So you could also add image over here if you want to add, but let's save that for now. Let's continue back to products. You can easily add different products or your different clothes by going over here under your products and clicking on add products on the top right. You can enter all sorts of information such as title, description, media, pricing, and many more. These are different things that you will be able to place. And over here on the right side, you can see that we have our collections over here. So if we enter summer collection, we will be able to categorize whatever clothing that we input or set up in this section. So let's say blazer or something. I'm not sure if this is for summer, but anyway, just an example. Enter a description of your choosing. Enter a media or a photo of your product. Enter a price. So let's say our price would go for 1,000. Cost per item, same thing. And over here for the quantity, let's say we have 5 in stock. So let's leave it as it is for now. So as you can see, product has been created and we added it under summer collection. So if we now view our collections over here, we can now see that we have one product under our summer collection, as you can see. There we go. So aside from that, you could also check out your website so that you could manage how you want your clothing brand store to look like. You could manage that by going over here under the sales channel, under online store and themes. Under the theme, this is basically the appearance of your website. You have multiple types of themes to choose from. So if you want to present your different clothing brand in a different way than the default, you could choose through the different available free themes over here. And there are also other themes that you could pay for if you are willing. So that's something that you could choose from as well. As you can see here, there are a lot of great examples. The Spotlight is really good for different clothing brands. So anyway, assuming we have the theme that we want, simply click on customize and you will be able to customize the appearance of your store. You will be able to see what it currently looks like And as you can see here, we have our featured products. Now, a quick guide over here. Over here on the left side, we have our header, basically this entire top part. We have our template, the content of our website, and we have our footer. So in the content, we could add our collections that we have just added earlier. So as you can see here, collection list. You could add that into your store, as you can see here, and you will be able to put the collection that you had just created. So in this section, you will be able to create like a section where they will be able to view the different types of groups of clothing that you have created. So that's just an example. There are multiple things that you will be able to add aside from collections. You could add different ways to present your products. You have your rich text, image with text over here. There's a preview over here on the right side so that you could have an idea on what it would look like, and many, many more. Now, Shopify is well used or well built for clothes. So using this platform to sell different clothes brands or your different clothes is really great because a lot of their features are actually specifically tailored for clothes. As you can see, even in the example photos, they are using clothes. So simply choose the sections that you want to appear on your website, and you could easily click or drag it into your section over here. And you could modify them individually, basically selecting them on the screen as you can see here. So if I had more collection, I could select collection over here and select it. Now you might notice that the summer collection is just text over here. So if you uploaded a photo earlier in the creation of the collection, you will be able to see the photo over here. So anyway, after saving your design, after finishing up with that, you could now handle different things as well. There are multiple things that you can check out. You have your orders, customers, content, analytics, marketing, discounts, and many, many more. If you look through the internet, you might find apps that could help you with your creation of your store. So you could navigate through the apps by selecting apps over here, then click on all recommended apps. You will be able to see all sorts of great apps that you could use to improve your experience with Shopify. One great feature or great example of this is the Instafeed over here, where if you have an Instagram where you promote your different product, you can easily connect it into Shopify and display the same images as well inside of your Shopify store. This can help with promoting your product and letting other people know that the store that you are promoting or having is the exact same as the Instagram account that you are using. So it's like an identification to help them know that you are a legit seller. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.